intersection between road or grass or anything.
It's actually swirling back.
Yeah.
You can see it going back. Oh, here we go. Always one idiot.
Sure, buddy. Come on down.
He's done. Right there.
That's as far as
Well done. You're the best.